We're continuing to work our way through the island chains in the Bahamas. Last week, we visited the legendary Queen's Bath and popped some champagne to celebrate our accomplishments so far. This week, we're sailing even deeper into the Bahamas, and we plan to visit Rock Sound. We didn't know it at the time, but our adventure today, we get to see the dark and creepy side of the Bahamas. If you don't mind, take a quick moment and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to hit 15,000 subscribers, and everybody counts. So if it's not too much trouble, take a moment and hit the subscribe button right now.
Let's change our story, let's change our life. We'll do it our way, our own design.
Alright guys, we are at Rock Sound. The holding here was not the greatest. It's about 3 inches of sand with like a gravel, it's probably coral and whatnot underneath it. It held at 2,500 RPM, so we're gonna trust it. Wind is supposed to shift around and then we'll be pointed away from shore. But we sat here for a while, we haven't moved. Lots of boats around us, they all gotta have similar holding. We're not sure if we have a place to get rid of trash, but we're gonna bring it because trash is becoming a bigger and bigger problem to get rid of. There's room by this one in front. To the left of the bicycle.
Tie to that under piece, maybe that.
Tie where, baby?
Tie to that. It looks like.
You might be better put tied it up here for so it doesn't like slide down the floor.
Okay.
I don't know.
Well,
Yeah.
Ben said a stern anchor. Did you throw a stern anchor?
We did not.
Doesn't
But
look like
on
anybody
this
else's.
side, I did see one of the boat earlier. It was stern anchor out on this side. That's like way over that way. So I don't know.
Oh, that's true.
What is it? Oh, it's not close. Yes.
Good job.
Sam has so much in there that it's poking out.
This dinghy dock is crazy. And Ben gave up and he took his dinghy over there. But I think that we're set. We've got a line tied here and we've got a stern anchor out, and I think it's going to keep our boat away. There's big bolts sticking out, threaded rod that's sticking out, and I'm afraid it's going to tear us up.
Okay, so we are going to the spider caves today, and I don't know where they are, so I'm probably not the best person to explain this.
So tell me about the spider caves.
I don't know anything about the spider caves.
Are they shaped like a spider or filled with spiders?
They're filled with spider webs, that's all I know.
Isn't it cute?
What is it?
That house is for sale and it's super cute, right on the ocean. Look at their view.
Is this where we're going? I thought we were going to spider caves.
Boiling hole has healing properties. Anybody with any ailment whatsoever, if they were to submerge themselves in the boiling hole, they will come out a completely renewed person. Do you have any ailments, Corey?
Well, I wasn't going to declare them when we entered the country because, you know, Q flag situation. Diseases and such, but yes. Let's go ail them.
Well, if you'd like, I can hold your camera.
Snake! What? Where? Oh my God!
Oh, there is a snake. Vicky was standing
Oh
like
my
on it.
gosh! He's got a frog. He's got a frog.
He ain't going to bother us.
Videotape him.
I don't know. I'm too scared to videotape him. Oh my God!
Frog looks like it's old.
It did.
You gonna get it. You gonna get it. This variety of tree that looks like peeling skin, according to Ben, is the sunburn tree. And if you touch it, you'll get a really bad rash that resembles a sunburn.
Oh my god.
He didn't. He's.
It's a leaf. I'm just kidding.
There's an awful lot of people that have carved into this tree that are probably
There's a wasp nest.
regretting their decision. Oh yeah, look at the wasps.
Look. We've seen poison trees, a wasp nest, and snakes all within the first 5 minutes.
Also known as spider caves.
We weren't going to.
Oh my gosh.
We got snakes, bees.
I just realized the walls.
Yeah, I guess maybe that's Julia. Who knows?
Guys, there's a ton of bats right here. They're hanging from the ceiling. I think this is not the right cave for me.
Okay guys, so current situation, we are deep inside the spider caves, which I don't really understand because we've seen one spider and like a gazillion bats,
This seriously looks like Hogwarts Legacy.
but it's very cool. What do you think, Ben?
It is very cool indeed. Not a single spider though. Plenty of bats. There's lots of creepy holes. Huh?
There's one.
Oh man, look at all of them.
Next time, we head even deeper into the island of Rocksound to visit the ocean hole.
Well, who were these places?
At over 600 feet deep, it was a little unnerving swimming with no idea what's below you.